Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. My name is Christopher Bell. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon. And I am a huge fan of the world-famous, delicious, superstitious, cockalicious, surreptitious Chad Thundercock, Charlie Munger. Now, Charlie Munger, if you don't know who he is Warren Buffett's little partner, his buddy. His butt buddy, perhaps? No, I'm just kidding. Charlie Munger is a very old man that has been in the business of investing for decades, almost a century. Almost. Hopefully he makes it to 100 and beyond. Charlie Munger is my freaking hero. I love this guy. See this man right here with his blotches and his glasses and he's old? He doesn't give a crap, okay? He will tell you whatever he thinks. Whatever crosses his delicious, sexy mind. He'll say it. He doesn't care. He thinks you're trash? He'll call you trash. He thinks cryptocurrency is freaking trash? He'll dump on it. He'll say whatever he has to say. I think he called cryptocurrency rat poison squared. I freaking love it. He's even crapped on Tesla. I don't know the exact quote, but it's well deserved. Charlie Munger is awesome. Warren Buffett's like a very nice guy, and he's friendly, and blah, 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 blah. Charlie Munger just freaking claps cheeks. I love it. He is a freaking Chad, okay? He's literally like if I had to pick an investing hero, it would be Charlie Munger. Anyway, what is the purpose of this whole video? Well, there's a main purpose, but there's also a sub-purpose. And that is to tell you what Charlie Munger did. Oh my God. What did he do, strongman? Charlie Munger doubles down on Alibaba investment again. Charlie Munger's other firm has doubled down on an investment in Alibaba for the second consecutive quarter. This is a freaking ad right here. God, I can't even read the text. Oh, this is horrible. He's best known as the vice chairman, blah, 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 blah. Daily Journal disclosed in its format file with the SEC that it ended 2021 with 206,000 Alibaba ADRs, American Depository Receipts. America! That means it bought a net 300,000 ADRs. They bought 300,000 shares more of Alibaba, of the embattled Chinese online giant, in the fourth quarter, as Daily Journal has owned 302 ADRs at the end of September. So you mean to tell me that a cash-generating machine that is going through temporary fears of, oh my God, delisting and America versus China and trade wars and oh my God. You mean to tell me they bought the dip of a cash machine? Losers! Munger declined to comment on the larger Alibaba position. Daily Journal has bought 136,000 more ADRs in the third quarter. Alibaba ADRs fell 20% in the fourth quarter and ended the year down 49%. Now, here's the funny thing. All you shills, all right, that compare stocks day to day or year to year, you're like, well, the S&P 500 went up 10%, but Alibaba went down 49%. And even better, La Tesla went up. La Tesla! Trust me, ladies and gentlemen, in the long run, stocks will arrive at their intrinsic value, okay? Sometimes they shoot up massively. Sometimes they crash. But in the long run, a stock's price will roughly approximate its fair market value. Its actual true intrinsic value, okay? And I truly believe Alibaba is one of those stocks. Now, why is everybody scared of Alibaba? Number one, China's cracking down. Because China's so communist, bro. They're so communist. They have capitalism everywhere. And they're growing way faster than the United States, I'll tell you that. But their government has been cracking down on Alibaba because they want to assert their dominance. We are the government. We're the Chinese Communist Party. And how dare you, Alibaba, your president or your CEO or whatever, Jack Ma, How dare you criticize us? We're gonna fine you. You've been a bad boy, Alibaba. We're gonna fine you to put you in your place. But of course, a lot of people, when they see that, oh my god, Alibaba got fined and Jack Ma's in trouble, they think that the Chinese government is going to freaking destroy a freaking cash cow like Alibaba. China wants to dominate the world, okay? The last thing they're going to do is freaking dismantle a company like Alibaba that is the shining star of their country. Look at somebody like me. I'm an American citizen. I think this is a great freaking company. I respect the company, okay? It makes me respect China. Why would China want to ruin my image of them? So, China's been cracking down on a lot of tech companies, and the stocks have been freaking obliterated. Now, no matter what anybody tells you, you need to keep in mind, the reason that Baba gets so much hate is not because it's a bad company fundamentally. It is simply because the stock went down. That is the only freaking reason that people are dumping on Alibaba. Whenever a stock goes down, people highlight the negatives. Okay, oh my god, did you see the CEO's ugly and she's not cute or whatever. Whatever stupid reason people can come up with, they'll do it to dump on a stock that went down. Okay, now don't confuse Alibaba with something like Tattoo Trucker's Taint, which isn't even profitable. Alibaba is a freaking massive online marketplace. In China, there's like 1.3 billion people there. That's like, what, 3-4 times bigger than the United States? But let's look at this, okay? Baba, for the past year, down 45%. The one and only reason people hate this stock, okay? I look at this, and Charlie Munger looks at this and says, I think the Chinese fears are temporary. I think the fears of ADRs and freaking, shell companies and, own the stock, I think that's all temporary. I really, really believe that, okay? Now, the reason I wanted to highlight Charlie Munger is because he's a freaking Chad, okay? He doesn't go with the flow. He doesn't listen to freaking losers that whenever a stock goes up, they start pumping it and buying it. He freaking believes what he believes. And if he disagrees with you, he's going to crap in your freaking face with cryptocurrency or whatever. But this proves that in the long run, if you are patient and you buy stocks that are massively undervalued, you will build massive wealth in the long run, okay? This is freaking awesome. Now, I've talked about Munger. Oh my god, he's so amazing. I want to talk about something else. Now, you may look at this and you may say, okay, Charlie Munger bought Alibaba. Strongman has like 10 grand of cost basis in Alibaba. Should I buy Alibaba? Your decision is your decision. No matter what anybody tells you, no matter who buys what, you need to look at a stock critically. Do your own analysis and really, really determine if you think it's worth investing your hard-earned money into. You may think Charlie Munger's smart. You may think I'm smart. You may think all the other Baba investors are freaking geniuses, okay? But that doesn't mean that you should buy the stock. Not in the freaking slightest. You need to buy a stock that you personally believe in. No matter what anybody says, no matter what anybody does, if you don't believe in the stock, don't freaking buy it, okay? Because in the long run, if you just track billionaires and buy what they buy and sell what they sell, you're going to freaking lose money, okay? Because you don't know why they're buying and you don't know why they're selling. But that's the main lesson here is you can't listen to these YouTubers, even me. If I buy an individual stock, you can't just automatically listen to me and freaking buy the stock. Because if you don't really convince yourself or do your own due diligence, you're not going to have that fundamental belief in the stock that will take you through the hard times. I'm down like 33% in Alibaba. I don't care, okay? I will own this stock for 10, 15, 20, 30, 40, 50 years, and I think it will massively outperform. But if you don't believe that, that's perfectly fine. You don't have to buy the stock, and you don't have to freaking listen to me, okay? What you should do is max your tax advantage accounts and buy Total World Stock Market Index funds. But That's the main lesson of this video. I'm glad that Charlie bought this stock. He's a freaking Chad, okay? He's a ultimate slayer. I want to be Charlie Munger. He's my hero. I didn't know who my hero was until I saw Charlie Munger videos. I freaking love him, man. He makes me smile. I dream about him. I think about him in the shower. Anyway, but if you take anything from this, just know that your investing philosophy, your life is personal. It's all up to you, okay? You need to do your research. You need to understand why you're buying things. And if you do that and you truly believe in your stocks, you're going to hold forever. Okay, let me look at Jeremy Lafufu. Look at his tattoo trucker's taint. I don't know why he believes in it, but he owns the stock and he hasn't sold, to my knowledge. But that's true belief. I'll give him that, okay? You need to do the same in your own investing life. As long as you do it in a tax advantage account, you'll be fine. That's it. I think I'm going to bed. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me, and have a wonderful night. Chew!